Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to have a private account on X. Open X on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down until you reach Settings and Privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to open section Privacy and Safety. From here, go to Audience and Tagging, and at the very top of your screen you should see this option that is called Protect Your Posts. So this is the feature that is responsible for making your account private. So let's turn this on, and from the moment that you make your account private, only your current followers on X are able to see your posts. And any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you follower requests that you must manually approve or decline. So if you tap your profile picture in the top left, in this menu you can see different sections. You want to go to follower requests, and from here you can manage your X followers. You can either accept them by using this button or decline them. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.